Hare Krishna. Once upon a time, in the divine land of Vrindavan, Sri Krishna, the Supreme Lord, played joyfully with the Gopa Balakas, the cowherd boys. I am the ox and you are the cows. Ha ha ha. Now run before. You must listen to me. I am the king and you are the people. Ha ha. You must listen to me. The boys laughed and ran as Krishna chased them with joy. They played hide and seek, swung on swings, and enjoyed many kinds of ball games. What a blessing it must have been for the Gopa Balakas to play with Sri Krishna. One day, Sri Krishna set out to play with his friends and entered the house of a Gopika. Inside, he saw the daughter-in-law of the house sleeping. Aha, this is my chance. Taking advantage of the situation, Sri Krishna ate all the curd. But that was not enough. He smeared some curd on the sleeping Gopika's mouth and ran away. When the mother-in-law saw the curd on her daughter-in-law's mouth, she thought the daughter-in-law had eaten all the curd herself and shouted, "What is this, you greedy girl? You ate all the curd." She replied, No, I didn't. I was asleep." But the mother-in-law did not believe her and scolded her badly. A Gopika, knowing Krishna's mischief, rushed to Yashoda. "Yashoda, your Krishna had done it again. He ate all the curd and blamed an innocent girl." Sri Krishna, the Jagat Guru, was not just playing a prank. He was teaching us a profound lesson. Let's see what Jagat Guru Sri Krishna wanted to teach us through this story. The time of the day when this episode happened was not night. As Krishna was going to play with his friends, an activity normally done during the day. Sri Krishna did not approve of the daughter-in-law sleeping during such productive hours. Hence, he punished her in that playful manner. Time is precious. One must never waste the productive hours of the day by sleeping or remaining idle. Even in his childhood Leelas, Krishna was a Jagat Guru, teaching us to use our time wisely. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to lose track of time and indulge in unproductive activities. Krishna's playful lesson reminds us of the importance of making the most of our productive hours, whether it is working, studying, or engaging in meaningful activities. We should strive to use our time wisely. This story emphasizes the value of time and the importance of utilizing our productive hours effectively. By staying active and engaged during the day, we can achieve more and fulfill our responsibilities better. Close your eyes, feel His presence, and let us offer our prayers to Krishna. O Lord Krishna, help us to understand the value of time and to use our productive hours wisely. Teach us to balance our duties and play, ensuring that we fulfill our responsibilities with diligence and devotion. May we always strive to be active and engaged in meaningful activities, following your divine example. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.